Setting filled with vibrant greenery, a pure white cat sits peacefully, appearing to admire the beauty of nature all around it. As the day unfolds, the cat's curiosity shines, playfully interacting with blooming flowers and enjoying the sounds of chirping birds in a joyful celebration of nature. With a soft sigh of contentment, the cat rolls onto its back, embracing the warmth of the sun on a perfect afternoon, surrounded by the soothing sounds of the great outdoors. In a serene setting filled with vibrant greenery,